As Eid approaches, baking kahk is one of the Egyptians' fundamental traditions. Generations pass the recipe to maintain the tradition of the kahk's craft. Kahk was dated back to the ancient Egyptians, as it was found in Giza's Great Pyramid of Khufu. Kahk dates back to the Tulunid dynasty, the bakers of which made it into packets called Kul Washkur, eat and say thank you. Years and years after, the tradition of kahk took another shape in Islamic history.
أصله يعني من قدماء المصريين، وكان بيبقى عن معابد، اكتشفوه عن معابد وكده، وكان يعني كلمة كل واشكر هي دي اللي ساعدت إن احنا نعمل الكحك، يعني ده اللي أنا فاكراه يعني. وكان زمان أنا فاكرة خليفة من الخلفاء كان بيعمل ميزانية للكحك العيد، وكان بيفرق على كل الشعب.
Kahk then became one of the most important manifestations of Eid El-Fitr feast, which immediately follows the holy month of Ramadan. This sugary treat, along with tea with milk, is every Egyptian's Eid joy.
بحس بالدفء، بحس باللمة، بالحب كده، بنبقى كلنا بنحب بعض وملمومين.
This was Hala Majid, AUCTV, Cairo.